Orange chicken. I use boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut up into chunks. Added a cup of fresh squeezed orange juice. Then I added some garlic salt and some ground black pepper. No need to add regular salt because we're going to use soy sauce later on. Once you get all that black pepper and garlic salt mixed in, go ahead and stir that all together. Get yourself 2 large eggs and beat that up. Pour that in. Added about a cup and a half of all-purpose flour and a little cornstarch. Mix that all in. You want to see what it looked like, you might have to add a little bit more flour, like I just did. Once you get that nice and coated, make sure that pot is already hot with that oil. Now we're going to add this in one at a time. Be careful not to put too much in. Make sure you spread it all out. We're going to double fry this, so we're only going to cook it for about 3-4 minutes and then take it out. And I'm cooking in 2 batches. Time for the first batch to come out. Only if you can smell it. Already smell good. Go ahead and get that first batch out. Once you get that first batch out, go ahead and add that second batch. Like I said, we're cooking this twice. We're going to fry it twice, double fry. 4 minutes tops. Once you get your second batch fried up, go ahead and take that out. Now add the first batch back to the oil. Depending on the size of your pot, you can add your second batch also, which I was able to do. Crank up that temperature a little bit. I think I had mine on at about 6. Go ahead and stir that all in. Get it nice and crispy. Took about 4 minutes tops. Now it's time for the orange sauce. Gonna start off with a cup of OJ. Then a little bit of light brown sugar. Or if you got dark, that'll work also. Then I add a little bit of minced garlic. Got the temperature set at around about 3-4. Then I added some soy sauce. About a half a cup. Now you don't want to walk away from this. You got to stay there. Added about a half a cup of honey. And some crushed red pepper flakes. Now you want to go ahead and start stirring that all in. Can't go nowhere. You got to stay at the stove for this one. Crank up that heat just a little bit. I added some orange peels. Get that zest in there. Get that all in there. Yes, indeed. Want to get it up to a little boil. And add that cornstarch slurry. Thicken it up. Probably about 2 minutes. Should start to thicken up. Crank up that heat a little bit more if you have to. There you have it. nice and thick. Now you can add your chicken back to it. Just add all that right inside. We're going to get this very well coated. Get all that chicken in there. Get that very well coated. Orange chicken that you can make at home. Voila. Add a couple scallions on the top for presentation. Orange chicken. Leave in the comments what you would like for me to make next. Thanks for watching.